Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and this week we are making a donated cake that we are giving to my daughter's kindergarten for a bake sale. They have asked for people to donate cakes, and so this one I wanted to look really appetizing. So this is a chocolate frosted cake with M&Ms and peanuts. So let's get started. This is a 6-inch peanut butter cake filled and frosted with chocolate Swiss meringue buttercream. However, frosting the cake with chocolate buttercream might mean that those looking from the outside might not know that there are peanuts in the cake. I was worried about that, and I wanted to prevent anyone with an allergy from taking a piece unknowingly. Hence why I decided to decorate with peanuts. Then I piped swirls on top of the cake with a large open star tip. Then I piped a shell border along the bottom of the cake. I placed peanut M&Ms on top of the swirls and along the bottom border, but because the peanut M&Ms weren't that obvious, I decided to press some peanuts into the side of the cake and along the top. And one last M&M in the middle. This cake is absolutely decadent. It looks so delicious. I'm really happy with it. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.